Welcome to simplystreetbikes.com. Today we've got a 2012 Victory Highball with a 106 motor in it. We're going to take a walk around this cruiser and then we'll fire it up so you can hear it run. Not noticed any down damage or tip over damage on this bike, but it does have a few scratches on it from being ridden. This bike's got a little over 19,100 miles on it, and it has a few accessories on it. We'll start up here. It has aftermarket mirrors with built-in blinkers. It also has aftermarket grips and high-rise handlebars. As you can see, everything else on the front end is in good shape. Front tire's in good shape, got plenty of miles left on it. It's got highway bars on it. Those have a few rock chips on them, but that's to be expected. Tank's in excellent shape, no dents, no scratches. Same with the seats, no rips, no tears. As you can see here, this has also got a 6-speed in it. Like I said, we do have a few scratches. There are a few scratches here on the exhaust. They're not really easy to see here in the video, and the exhaust is actually Arlen Ness. It also comes with an aftermarket rear pegs and back tire. Back tire's in good shape. And then see the blinkers right here. So it's got basically kind of like an integrated tail like what they do on a sport bike. Plate relocator. And got a few scrapes here on the swing arm, which looks like something was rubbing against it. Maybe this gentleman had bags on it or something, because I noticed there's a little scratch right here too, and it's almost round like a bolt hole. And then also we've got here, got some scratch marks here on the engine cover, and you can see it's right above the kickstand, so obviously boot marks. But like I said, some scuffs and some scratches, but no down damage, no tip over damage noticed on this bike. Alright, let's get you a shot of those miles here. $19,111 miles is what's on this bike, so. I'll show you those rear blinkers. This bike has gone through our pre-sale inspection. Also comes with a 30-day, 1,000-mile limited warranty. And as long as you own this bike from us, you'll get a discount on parts, labor, and accessories. Thank you for shopping simplystreetbikes.com.